Hey y'all, first of all, Happy New Year. I know it's been a long time since I've uploaded anything. I'm starting to get very tired of having to say I'm sorry, but I do apologize again. Sometimes things just gets the best of me. I want to say thank you. I've passed 25,000 subscribers. You guys love my videos so much that you just continue to subscribe even though I don't give y'all new content. So thank you. Thank you to all my old subscribers. Thank you to my new subscribers. And I just want to let you guys know that I am planning on doing better with my content this year, and I just want to know, what do you guys want to see? Those of you who follow me off of YouTube and on my blog and on Instagram know that I'm a beauty, fashion, and lifestyle content creator. If you follow my blog, you know I post all types of content, sometimes makeup looks, but I do product reviews, I do outfits, style inspiration, and I post the tutorials that I post here on YouTube, but there's more hair product reviews, more in-depth reviews instead of just showing you how I use it, but you know, telling you more about how I like the products. So do you want to see more product reviews here? Do you want to see outfit inspiration, lookbook? Do you guys want to see more lifestyle posts? If you follow me on Instagram and my stories, I cook. I do a lot of cooking. Everyone's always asking me to start a cooking channel, but I don't have time for that, y'all. I really don't have time to start another channel outside of being a content creator. I also have a full-time job, and I'm a mommy to a 16-year-old boy. If you follow me on social media or follow the blog, you've seen my son. He's a big boy looking like a grown man, but he's 15, going on 16. And that's another full-time job in itself. So, you know, I do my best to keep up with everything. But YouTube is my neglected baby that I'm trying to be a better parent to. So just let me know what you guys want to see. You want to see more hair tutorials, more makeup looks, lookbooks, cooking? Do you want some vlogs? Y'all want to be nosy and get a better glimpse into my life? I'm reaching out to y'all, my subscribers, to see what y'all want to see so I could give you what you want, because your girl's trying to do better. But anyway, thank you so much again for all your love and support, even when I'm not here, even when I'm not posting. For those of you that come and check on me in the comments, like, girl, where you at? The emails I get, the checking on me on social media, girl, I miss you. I'm waiting for new videos. They're coming, y'all. They're coming. Just let me know what you want. And thank you. Thank you so much. I really appreciate y'all. And just make sure you're subscribed to the blog. You can subscribe by email. I only email once a week. I'm not going to spam you. You can just come check in when you want. That's theglammousgleam.com. And make sure you follow me on Instagram, because I'm always posting looks there, letting you know what I'm using on my hair, what makeup I'm loving at the moment. You know, everything I'm using at the moment when I'm not here, because I can't be here all the time. But that you'll get, you know, an up-to-date or at the moment glimpse of what I'm doing. And my Instagram is GlamMzMore, same name as it is here on YouTube. And just let me know what you guys want in the comments. I'm rambling on. I didn't mean to ramble, but I miss y'all. I hope y'all miss me. And just letting you know that I am coming back. So I'll be back soon with a tutorial or maybe a review, or I don't know. Let me know what you want to see, y'all. Okay? So see you later.